Welcome to Cheen's Art Channel. Subscribe and join the colorful with me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my art channel. This is part number 1 of my special series, DIY Christmas Decor, 9 Simple Holiday Canvas Ideas. Today, we're painting the classic candy cane on a mini black canvas. This design is really simple and striking, beginner-friendly, and a wonderful way to create personalized, modern Christmas decor for the season. We'll be focusing on smooth lines and sharp contrast between the bright colors and the dark background. Grab your paints and your mini canvas. All set? Let's start painting. And that's it. Our classic candy cane is complete. I love how simple the colors are, and the black canvas makes it pop so beautifully. It truly makes a lovely piece of holiday decor. Don't forget to let your finished painting dry completely before handling or displaying it. Remember, acrylics are all about practice, so just enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the full playlist for the other 8 simple holiday canvas ideas. We'll be painting Rudolph the reindeer next. You can find the link to the playlist and the next video right in the description box below. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, creative day. I'll see you in the next video.